Currently, I am booting into the text-based version of Slitaz. This is a live CD, very small. I am today going to show you how to install new applications from the command line. We're going to hit English and USA here, but of course you'd want to pick your language in keyboard mapping. And I'm just going to log in as root. Default password is root. And the package manager is called Tazpkg. And the first thing we need to do is recharge the list. This is refreshing the list. What this is going to do is it's going to go online, check the servers, get a list of servers and mirrors for all the available applications that you can install. Next, we are going to look for a package to install. So let's see, what would I want to install? How about Nmap? Nmap is a great program. I'm going to just do Tazpkg search Nmap. Doesn't take very long. It says that it's available. So now I can do Taz get-install Nmap. Now you can just use the get command, which will download the package and not install it, and then later on you can use Taz package to install the package. But it's just easier just to get-install the name of the package. And now I have Nmap installed, and we will scan the local host. Nothing up. Let's install another package. We will do another search, although I'm sure I could probably just type in Tazpkg get install Apache, but let's do a search anyway. So I will do search, and you can see there's a few packages in there, you know, Perl plugin, PHP plugin, but if we just did Taz get-install, enter, it shows you in the name here the description, the version, but normally you just leave off that and just put in the name of the package. You can see it is automatically grabbing all the dependencies, and it's going to install them as well. And there we go. Let's see if it is up and running or if we manually have to start it. We will once again run our Nmap on localhost. Hey, it's showing that our port 80 is open and port 443, which is HTTP and HTTPS for our Apache web server. Let's install a small little web browser so we can have a look at that. And let's try links. We'll do Tazpkg search links. We have both links and e-links. I'll just do links. Should be able to just get-install links. It's downloading it. It found some dependencies it needs. And once it's done installing, we'll be able to surf the internet using links, which is a great little program for doing web-based stuff from the command line. So links, I'm just going to say google.com. And here we are at Google in text mode. I can do a search for films by Chris, and I'll search on that. And hey, KO Entertainment, that's my website, Films by Chris. I'll choose that, and we get a text-based version of that. You don't get a nice little picture of the penguins at the top, but you can see all my tutorials, which are pretty much all YouTube, so when you're in text mode like this, they are pretty much useless to you. At any point, we can hit Q to exit out, and it says, do you really want to quit? We can say yes. Now we can also use links, and we will go localhost. And oh, I thought that would bring us to our local machine, be able to see our own web browser. Let's try this. We'll go ifconfig. There's my IP address right there. And I will do links 10.02.15. Hey, it works. That's the default web page when you install Apache on most distributions. It's just the words, it works. At this point, you can also hit G in links to go to a URL. So we can say Google once again and go to Google without having to exit out. Or hit G. Well, if you're in a text field, you can't hit G, but when we're on anything but a text field, we can hit G. And I'll go filmsbychris.com. Or I can hit G again and go to slitaz.org. And here we are at slitaz.org. I'll hit Q to exit out of that. And yes, you really want to quit. So let's review real quick. Tazpkg is the package manager when you're at the command line. When you're in the GUI, that's really just a front end for this. And the basic commands, there are a lot of commands. If we do help, it brings up a whole bunch of them. But the commands that we are going to worry about today is pkg, Tazpkg recharge, which will refresh your list. You want to do that every once in a while to make sure you have the most updated list. Search, and then a package you're searching for. So if I type in something like wire, it shows that we have Linux wireless available, wireless tools development, and Wireshark. And then if we wanted to install something like Wireshark, we just do Tazpkg get-install. And once again, you can do just get if you want to just download the package and not install it. Once you do that, if you want to install it, you can do install. But if you just want to download and install it, which is the majority of the time, get-install, hit enter, and it will download that package and any dependencies it needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Visit filmsbychris.com for more video tutorials like this. Also visit slitaz.org to get your own copy of Slitaz free. Very small, can fit on a business card size CD that you can keep in your pocket, or you can install it to a flash drive. Very convenient that it loads to RAM, so you don't need to keep the flash drive or CD in the computer while running. Thanks for watching, and if the command line is not your thing, check out my tutorials on the GUI interface for Slitaz, basically going through the same things but with the mouse and some colors. Okay, have a great day and keep watching.